Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
So we were summarizing this trailer today, and we have great water flow at the bathroom faucet. We have good water flow at the toilet, and the shower's flowing really well. But our kitchen sink, it's really struggling. I can hear the pump laboring. I think we're gonna find a plugged aerator on this faucet. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so we got some sand and some calcium deposits right there in that aerator. We're just going to go ahead and rinse this out. Normally I would pop this one out. This one's going to be a little bit tricky to pop out. If I were to pop it out when it's being difficult like this, I'm probably going to break it, but you can get these readily available at any hardware store if you need to replace that. So let's just go ahead and try this. We've rinsed it out and see if that actually makes it work better. Hey, look at that. We got good flow.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.